Hey guys, so I took a huge risk and decided to invest in 4 adjacent properties in a slightly rundown neighborhood. I purchased them at auction sight unseen, so I'm taking a drive through the neighborhood and then I'm gonna go through each property one by one. Okay, so here is house number 1, tons of vintage charm, and oh wow, they left a lot of stuff. Yeah, I think these people are hoarders. I wasn't betting on that. Oh, that marble fireplace mantle looks really cool, but it's going to be a pain to get out of this house. Okay, and then here's a cast iron bathtub just at the top of the stairs. Like, what is wrong with these people? Who would just leave a house like this? Oh, well, hopefully the other 3 houses will be in better condition. Okay, like, wow, they didn't even, like, they could have put things in the boxes. That would have been great. Oh, there's no staircase. Okay, going up this ladder. And more hoarder's nest. Fun. Okay, well, house number 2 doesn't seem to be a hoarder's nest. That's looking great. And oh, this place was a meth lab. Great. Wow, I guess that's what happens when you purchase sight unseen. A bit of water damage on the walls, or is that smoke damage, or both? Whoa, that carpet is going to go. Okay, that's a lovely dining room and kitchen. Maybe the upstairs won't be so bad. Oh, that's some good carpeting. Oh, wow, there's a fireplace right at the top of the stairs, like right at the top. Some nice curtains, okay. Bathroom with no toilet or tub or sink, okay. And more water damage, fun. Okay, well, house number 3 cannot be as bad as the first 2. I have high hopes that this one will turn out better. Aw, kitty, good. That's not, oh, wow, there's a lot of cats and mice and squirrels. Oh my, this place is cat infested and there's no stairs. Okay, so after getting another ladder, I'm on the 2nd floor and more cats, and I'm noticing quite an odor due to how did the cats even get in here? Okay, and yet more cats in the attic, just what I was hoping for. Okay, last house, fingers crossed. Okay, okay, I can work with this. There's no cats, no odor, no hoarders, no methamphetamine. Okay, we're doing better now. Ooh, vintage tile upstairs in the bathroom. Okay, I'm starting to feel a lot better. Okay, pocket door sticks, but it's got a beautiful doorknob. Okay, ooh, looks like some original woodwork. And gorgeous bay window. Look at that stained glass. Oh, finally. Okay, there's a cute little window box. Okay, I'm feeling a lot better about this house. Yes, this house is the diamond in the rough. Back downstairs to the 1st floor. Another bay window. Needs some wallpaper. Oh, what is that?